Now for that, I would like you to refer to your module, which you could easily get topic 1, subtopic 1.3. We've got a whole list about no less than 5 pairs of different learning styles that you need to know, you must understand, you comprehend it well, and then after that, you find out which learning style you are at. Are you a visual learner? Are you a verbal learner? Are you the sensing, reflective type, or the active type? You have to know. When you know which styles you are more comfortable with, then you can adapt your ways and learning strategies to make you more comfortable and to help you plan your learning and inshallah become good and happy and inshallah become successful in whatever you do, and in the process you can achieve your goal. Now we have done that, we have covered that. Now I want to go now very quickly to topic 2, which concerns now with the online learning environment. This topic deals or addresses 2 issues. Okay, these 2 issues, one refers to the online environment itself. It refers to your personal computer and it refers to using of the internet. Okay, and the other also equally important aspect is the use of the My LMS, which is the My Learner Management System. Like I said earlier, remember, it's a very useful and I would like to say, I think, effective tool for collaboration and cooperation to be used, to be maximized to the fullest by all students for successful and effective learning. Okay, we'll go to that a little bit later, but looking at the computer concept, you look at these 3 main aspects of what the computer provides or holds or gives you benefit in. It is the input, it involves input and output at the other end of the spectrum, and in the middle you have got the process. All right, in the input is you key in all your data, which are raw materials that you input into the computer, and for this you make use of your keyboard. All right, your keyboard is a major tool there, and then it's then stored inside, and then you get your output, the data that has been processed, which has been meaningfully organized, and then it's going to be usefully utilized by you for your research, your assignments, your projects. This is basically what the computer functions. Very basic function. It is you must have input and output, and for these different steps or different aspects of the computer, do not forget there are different tools that are available, hardware components as well as software components in the computer that you need to know, and I think many of you already know. Unless you are still living in the dinosaur age, then maybe you wouldn't know. Okay, but I doubt that very much. Okay. The next slide talks to you about the personal computer. I'm not going to go here in detail because it's not an IT class, okay? But roughly, this is where you have your input. Remember, just now you had the diagram, your input, and here your output. This is your storage, your processing mechanism here. Okay, storage, and we have input being the mouse and your keyboard, okay, and the output you have the printer here, plus you got the monitor, or they call it the visual unit display here, visual display unit here, okay. Output including the printer and the speaker, all right, and the CPU here, the ROM here will be the storage implements, okay? Right. Then you have basic concept of internet. For this, I will not at all go into the nitty-gritty of it. I would like you to refer to your module that gives you quite, I think, interesting explanation of how you get connected to the internet, as well as what you can do with the internet. Okay. All right. Basically, internet here is a network of computers linking PCs all over the world. How do we get connected? These are the steps that are outlined here. Okay, more info in the module is available. Okay, another thing you also need to be aware is to know what these terminology that are commonly used for internet usage mean. So what does www mean? It's an interface, okay? That's the word to use, interface that enables us to access info in multimedia format. You get the info from where? From databases all over the world. And what does the website refer to? It's the first page is called the home page. It consists of many web pages. The web page is a document and it contains links to other web pages. All these are available in your module. Okay, another one, web browser. Examples of that software is Internet IE, then Netscape Navigator, yes, and of course we have got that, what they call it, Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. And apa tu, they call it api musang. They call it api musang. Okay, then you have the URL, which is the web address. It comes in this form with the HTTP in a colon and slash, and what each one of these refer to. This is the HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol. This refers to the server location. This is the name of the domain. OUM is the domain. EDU is the host. The identifier is education. So it's EDU. My refers to your country code. And this, the last one here at the back, the newsletter, is the name of the file. Okay, please be aware and get the hang of that. And one final important term used in internet is hyperlink. And I think we all know what hyperlink is, and we've been using that quite frequently when we do our work or our project paper. It's a jump to other location, and how do we know when that is a hyperlink? It can be displayed as an underlined text, as in example given here, graphical object here, graphical object, or you have pictures like that, Ford, or even that graphical objects there. So various ways it can take form, and when you put a mouse over that hyperlink, pointer will turn to the shape of a hand. That's where you make the jump. Okay, it's like a light year jump. Okay, jump. You click the hyperlink, jump to the link that you want to go to. Okay. All right. So for further information on that, you can refer to your module. The next part is on the OUM's learning management system. I think I would like you to do this for me, which is I would like you to look at the handout I'm going to give you now. This is a nice handout which covers topic 2, dealing with questions like, describe the hardware components of the computer, like the CPU, the mouse, the printer, the modem. So I would like you to do these questions on the My LMS yourself. How do you do that? You go to the forum. I'm sure you know how to get onto the portal, right onto the My LMS, okay, and go to the forum and go to the yellow folder number 2, topic 2, and answer these questions. Answer these quiz questions in that yellow folder, topic 2. Okay, that was the first question. Number 2 is name 3 tools in My LMS that allow sharing of file and information. Okay, I can give you some clues here. What are some of the 3 tools that you have in the LMS that you can use to share your files and share information? Okay, these tools include your forum, online discussion, first. Second tool you can use to share info with your friend or your classmate is the email. Okay? And number 3 is you make use of the digital Dropbox. these are the 3 among several, just 3 of the tools you can use to help you if you want to share information, or you want to perhaps even interact or ask questions, not only to them but even to the tutor or even to the admin staff, either at the main office or in fact anywhere. If you want, you can. All right. So thank you very much. God bless you. Class dismissed.